Hi guys, I'm back for another video. As you can see, here are the baby. They've changed a lot. Sorry for not posting lately, but I've been away and now I'm back. So, as you see, they're gaining more red feathers and white. This is the younger one. They had another baby. This is our new couple. They did end up with a few eggs, but then they were not fertile, so I'm not sure what they have now. There's nothing there. So yeah. This is one of our red mosaic couples. They have nothing. We've got quite a few red mosaics this season. And as you can see, here is the male yellow mosaic agate. Looking very good. There's female. She had a baby but it died. There's the baby there. That's the new baby, by the way. So yeah. Now to one of my new favourites. This is one of our red factor males. With our agate female. As you can see, there's the baby under there. He's quite red. So very excited for that. See what it will bring. Here are all the red factors in this cage. Nothing. So yeah, at least we're getting some. This is our big male, the red mosaic. He's got another, I think 4 free babies there. This is another one as well of our big red mosaics. She's just got eggs. So yeah. And these are the agate babies. Look, very, very beautiful. So guys, bye, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.